Guys, we are in Deraniyagala. We are on our way to Avissawella. We are going for a villa actually. One of our travelers connection. Lakshan, Rupo sir. Hi Lakshan. Hi. What's up bro? Sumedha is also traveling with us. And the driver, this is our driver. Viraj.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
The place we are heading is called the Estate Bungalow of Dangampala. We are on our way to meet another colleague. After that only we will be going to the place, because we don't know the exact location, so we are taking him also with us. So let's see.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm just trying to guide through the vehicle, through the rocks and all, and get him through. Finally, after a off-road session, we are at the bungalow.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The view for the day, guys.
It's hard for me to let
The bungalow does have 2 rooms.
so hard 'cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without.
This is the best part.
I think that I am moving on 'cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you.
Breakfast with the wave. The special thing about this pool, this is not chlorine water. The water fills from a fountain on top of the mountain, right? From that, they fills the pool up without any chlorine or any things used for the pool, but basically they use a filter just to filter the water, so it's kind of a natural pool.
I think that I am moving on 'cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is the sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you.
Oh, we had a nice lunch. Showed in the previous clip. The food works around here is you have to bring whatever you need, and there's a cook. They will prepare the rest for you. They're the best in the house. Trust me.
मैरिनेट कर
Guys, this is how you eat chocolate biscuit. Did you all know this? Dip it inside your tea and eat it. 6 p.m. exactly, the golden hour. New chef, barbecue man.
So complicated, don't mess it up. Feeling frustrated, it ain't enough to fix a love.
This is how Viraj is enjoying his sunrise. Look at the view, guys. The bed view for Viraj. This bugger doesn't want to look at his sunrise, and he's doing his work. He's working. The sunrise, we actually saw something amazing. We can see Siripa there from here, right? I'll just show you guys. That's Siripa there, guys. We are lucky to see the sunrise today actually. Normally these days it's very misty in the mornings, it seems. We had our morning coffee, enjoying the amazing sunrise. Mr. Windu, He's cleaning the pool. He's our pool boy for the day. Guys, I have to walk because he is not sure. He wants me to look around the surroundings and guide him through, because it's a very tricky road down here and very narrow. So there are some tricky parts and the stones. If you're coming from a vehicle, I should prefer you come at early in the morning, so you know how to get to the top. It's not that much hard, but you have to have some patience to go to the top. Something like he's having at the moment. One last hurdle to jump. Getting it.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie.
On our way to Dehiowita now. We're trying to have a bath down in Dehiowita and go to Meepe back.
Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Detour was good. We had some fun in Dehiowita. There's a small bath down here. The water is very good.
But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all
Guys, when you're coming from Avissawella, come to Avissawella, then Dehiowita. From Dehiowita, it's about, let's say, 1.5-2 kilometers to the Deraniyagala road. After you turn from Deraniyagala road, I'll show you the Deraniyagala road. We are on our way to Colombo, but I will be able to show it to you all. From that, you have to go for about another. We are now at Dehiowita. If you can see if you saw the sign, we are now at Dehiowita, and you have to turn to your right if you are coming from the Avissawella side. From that, you have to go for about another 4 kilometers to Mahaoya plantation. The Mahaoya plantation, that's also another right. This is the road actually. This is, let me show you all. This is the road which you all have to take, Deraniyagala. Back in Colombo. it was a nice trip, nice location. Wow, the scenery is amazing, right? I'll put all the details of the villa, how to contact them, how to book yourself. But I would say wait until March, because they are going to do some furnishing to the place, so it will look awesome when it's done. We will be going back again, so I'll link it up. I'll link all the details for the villa, so anyone wants to visit, you all can go and have some quality time.